prophet.
Come on, y'all.
Come on now.
Jacob, who was it? Who was the man of God? Joshua. He said, stand still, son.
Yes.
Stand still, move over. I got to fight this battle. The elements, God will send the elements to fight with you or fight against you. Ask Jonah, ask Pharaoh at the Red Sea. So Peter's down the water, and the water's like, you betrayed Jesus not 1, 2, but 3 times. This man done walked across the water. He done bound us up from the book of Genesis. We ain't about to mess with Jesus.